In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to move an order from just placed to fulfilled inside your Shopify admin, so your customers stay informed and your store stays organized. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin, you'll land on the main dashboard page. This is your control center, where you can see an overview of your store's performance, recent activity, and important alerts. From here, we're going to head straight to the place where all your customer purchases are managed. Look to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Orders. Go ahead and click on Orders. This will open up your orders list page. Here you'll see all the orders that have come into your store, along with their current status, like unfulfilled, partially fulfilled, or fulfilled. You can also use the filters or search bar at the top to narrow down what you're looking for, which is especially helpful if you have a lot of orders coming in. Next, choose the specific order you'd like to fulfill. Click on the order number or the customer's name to open the order details page. This page is really important because it shows you everything related to that particular order: the products purchased, quantities, shipping method, shipping address, and payment status. Before you mark anything as fulfilled, take a moment to double check that you actually have the items in stock and that they've been packed and are ready to ship, or have already been handed off to your shipping carrier. Once you've confirmed that the order is ready to go, you're going to mark it as fulfilled. Depending on your Shopify interface or theme, you may see a button that says Mark as Fulfilled or Fulfill Order. Both options serve the same purpose. Click that button. When you do this, Shopify will update the status of the order from unfulfilled to fulfilled. If you have notifications enabled, your customer can automatically receive an email letting them know their order is on its way. That helps build trust and cuts down on "where is my order" messages. And that's it. You've successfully fulfilled an order on Shopify. Repeat these steps for each new order, and you'll keep your fulfillment